In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple calendars for organizing your life because, as we all know, an organized life equals an organized mind. Let's dive in and see how you can keep every area of your life structured and visually pleasing with the help of these calendars. First, think about the different aspects of your life that you want to keep track of. A great way to start is to create distinct calendars for categories like work or school, fitness and wellness, social and relationships, and lastly, self-care. Each of these calendars can have its own color, creating an instant visual aesthetic that makes your schedule not just easy to navigate, but also pleasant to glance at. Next, it's time to plan your ideal day from start to finish. Think of it as a blueprint for the perfect day, including everything from your morning routine to your bedtime rituals. Start by blocking time off for your morning routine, which might include waking up, skincare, and some journaling to set a positive tone for the day. Then schedule your workouts, whether that's going to the gym, doing yoga, or even just taking a walk. Don't forget to plan for healthy meals. Allocate time for breakfast, lunch, and dinner to ensure you're nourishing your body properly. Slot in deep work or study sessions where you can focus without interruptions. And finally, make time for an evening wind-down routine that might include some light reading, skincare, and practicing gratitude. Consider using recurring events to streamline your routine. For instance, you might set a daily reminder to drink 2 liters of water or schedule your workouts from Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. A weekly reset could be penciled in on Sunday evenings, allowing you to prepare for the week ahead in a calm and collected manner. Adding reminders and notifications can be a game changer for maintaining consistency. These gentle nudges throughout the day help keep you on track with your goals. Set a reminder to stretch for 5 minutes around 3 p.m. or read 10 pages of a book before bed. These small reminders can significantly impact your overall well-being and productivity. To make sure you have your schedule at hand wherever you go, sync your calendar across all your devices. Downloading the Google Calendar app, for instance, ensures that your meticulously planned routine stays with you, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer. Lastly, don't forget to make your calendars aesthetically pleasing. Assign each calendar a different color theme, whether you prefer pastels, neutrals, or bold vibes. This not only helps with organization, but also brings a sense of calm and happiness when you look at your schedule. You can also add emojis to your event titles for that extra burst of energy, making your calendar not just a planner, but a reflection of your vibrant life. By following these steps, you're well on your way to managing your time thoughtfully and beautifully, transforming how you tackle each day with renewed focus and clarity.